Hi guys, welcome back to Aldi Full Ad Preview for April the 12th through April the 18th. That is on next Wednesday. So if you like this video guys, like the video, share it, and please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you guys here. Green Toys Eco-Friendly Toddler Truck, $9.99. Wild Republic Eco-Friendly Plush, $7.99. How cute is that? Simply Nature Fair Trade Organic Tea Blend, $3.99 for 20 counts. Simply Nature Flourless Bread for $4.99. I've never heard of flourless bread. Okay. Banana Organic Plantain Chips, Lime or Pink Salt, $2.98. Benton's Upcycle Cookies, Okra, Chocolate Chip or Vanilla Oatmeal, $2.99. Clancy's Original or Cheddar and Sour Cream Ripple Baked Potato Crisp, $2.95. Lesser Evil Himalayan Gold or No Cheese Cheesiness Organic Popcorn, $2.98. Popcorners Kettle or White Cheddar Popcorn Chips, $3.98. Turkey Creek Dill Pickle or Chili Lime Pork Rinds, $1.69. Elevation Plant-Based Protein Bar Assorted Varieties, $7.99. Earth-Grown Tofu Cubes Barbecue or Sesame Ginger, $3.59. You get 8 ounces on this one. Grillo's Dill or Hot Dill Thickles, $5.99. Oh my goodness. Where did they come up with these names, guys? Oh my goodness. Belmont Chocolate or Banana Plant-Based Vegan Cake, $7.99 for 14 ounces. That looks delicious. Breakfast Best Protein Cinnamon French Toast Sticks. Woo! Breakfast Best Protein Cinnamon French Toast Sticks, $4.49. I made it! Bremer Pesto Pasta Shells and 4 Cheese Fettuccine, $4.99 for 32 ounces. Cattleman's Ranch Homestyle or Texas Barbecue Meatloaf, $8.49. You get 28 ounces. Earth-Grown Chicken Fries, $3.99 for 10 ounces. Earth-Grown Non-Dairy Chocolate Chip or Chocolate Cookie Sandwiches, $4.29. Fremont Fish Market Extra Jumbo Easy Peel Raw Shrimp, $14.99 for 32 ounces. Butcher Van Gourmet Fresh USDA Choice Seasoned Chuck Roast, $4.89 per pound. Here we have Fresh Family Pack Thin Sliced Boneless Pork Chops for $3.29 a pound. Stone Mill Flavored Pink Salt, $3.99. Ladies 3-pack bamboo underwear for $7.99. It comes in bikini, hipster, shorty, breathable fabric, and stretch for comfort. Crofton reusable sandwich or snack bags, $4.99. So it comes in red or green. Airtight seal keeps food fresh. It is freezer safe and microwave safe. Yes, for $4.99. Here we have Crofton reusable produce or market bags for $4.99. Great for fruit, vegetable, nuts, and more. And it is machine washable. Here we have these 2 items by Sarah. The first one is the Ladies Sustainable Material Bralette for $7.99. It comes in size small through extra large. And to the right, we have the bamboo joggers for $14.99. It has the 2-side pockets, drawstring waistband, and ultra soft bamboo fabric. Okay, Gardeline Garden Soil, $3.49. And here we have Crofton reusable straws for $4.99. In the next part of this video, guys, it was previously recorded, so if it sounds a bit different, that is why. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get to the next part. Huntington Home Rubber Gate Core Mat is $9.99. It is an 18 by 30, assorted styles, durable rubber and core construction, core bristles, help reduce dirt and debris, easy to clean. Crofton 2-pack bamboo food storage, $8.99. You get a 2-pack round or rectangular nested bamboo containers. It is also dishwasher safe. Crofton ceramic non-stick pans, $16.99. It has the soft grip handle. Soft grip handle. Keep you from burning yourself, so that's always good to have. Alrighty, here we have the Crofton countertop compost bin for $16.99. Features a sturdy stainless steel handle for easy transport to garden. It comes in white, green, or print. Crofton salad bowl with utensils, $14.99. You get a 4-piece set, includes black or white bowl with bamboo lid and 2 bamboo utensils. Lid can be used as a cutting board or serving platter. Large bowl, perfect for salads. Okay. Here we have Huntington Home 48 by 66 rug for $14.99. 100% recycled material, hand woven, perfect rug for any home decor. Here we have Huntington Home hanging planter candle for $8.99. So it comes in gardenia and ivy, peach and elderflower, orange tree, or wisteria and bergamot, and it is 10.5 ounces. Okay. Balavi 9 feet aluminum umbrella, $39.99. UV and water resistant canopy, adjustable canopy with tilt, easy open and close crank handle. Balavi folding recliner is $39.99. It comes in Irish cream or black. Folds for space-saving storage, sturdy, powder-coated steel frame, easy to clean textile, multiple reclining positions with lock. Here we have the rocker here for $49.99. Comes in the same colors, and it holds up to 242 pounds. Okay, here we have Balavi outdoor gas fire pit for $150. It is a 28 by 28 by 24. Control panel with pulse ignition and adjustable dancing flame. Durable steel tabletop and decorative sling fabric base panels. Alrighty then. Balavi plant stand assortment, $14.99. So you get a 2-tier plant stand, 2-pack plant stand, 2-tier corner plant stand, or a 3-tier plant stand for $14.99. Okay, right here we have Balavi stacking side table for $14.99. It is a 16 by 16 by 18. The weight capacity is 50 pounds and you get a 1-year warranty. Here we have Balavi urn planter for $24.99. It comes in white or stone gray. It is a 16 by 16 by 19. The capacity is 6.9 gallons. Okay. Here we have Balavi whiskey barrel planter for $12.99. It comes in square or round. Balavi wooden raised planter. It is $50. It has natural wood. It holds up to 220 pounds. Planter capacity is 15.32 gallons. It includes water repellent foil liner to separate wood from soil. Here we have a 4-tier or drop-over greenhouse for $24.99. 4-tier includes 4 shelves with a 22-pound weight limit per shelf. 4-tier greenhouse gives seeds, seedlings, and young plants an early start. Protects garden from pests and weather. Here we have Gardenline 18-watt portable outdoor heater for $69.99. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Waterproof, built-in handle allows for easy carrying and portability. Tip over and overheating protection. That's great. Here we have a heavy-duty kink control garden hose for $19.99. Tangle and kink free, and it is scuff resistant. Okay, Gardenline Tumbling Composter for $49.99. It is a 19.9 gallon capacity. Easy to assemble, and you get a 2-year warranty. Gardenline Ladies Garden Boots, $12.99. Easy pull-on style, great for outdoor activities and gardening. It comes in navy yellow with the stripes, navy floral, or lavender. Okay, so we have Lily and Dan Children's Recycled Material Flats for $9.99. 100% recycled textile upper, flexible outsole, machine washable, easy slip-on style. It comes in rose print, color block, or loafer. $9.99, guys, not a bad deal. Here we have mini pocket umbrella for $6.99. Canopy is 100% polyester. It comes in stripes, black, polka dots, flowers, or navy. Here we have Green Toys eco-friendly toddler truck for $9.99. Here we have Balavi's 12-inch self-watering planter for $4.99. It is a 3.17 gallon capacity. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, snap-on saucer with water reservoir, and it is UV protected resin material. Here we have Gardenline interlocking garden edging for $6.99. Easy installation, angular or curved designs can be easily created, made from 100% recycled material. Here we have Gardenline Pro Series hose nozzle assortment for $8.99. It has the push handle to turn nozzle on and off and adjust the flow. $8.99, can't beat it. Here we have Huntington Home 30 by 46 rug for $9.99. 100% recycled material. It comes in black, brown, multicolor, denim and white, or denim. Hand woven, soft and durable. Perfect rug for any home decor. Alrighty guys, this concludes our video. I hope to see you guys on Wednesday, which will be next week on the 12th. We will be doing a store walkthrough at Aldi, and I'll see you then.